So many times, you and me, we forget the 3 G's. What are the 3 G's that activate your dream, that manifest what you desire in your life? And how can you use them today? I'm about to tell you, so stay tuned. The 3 G's are so easy. They're so easy that you may not believe what I'm about to tell you, but they are, and they work like gangbusters. So I'm going to give them to you right now. I want you to take one of these and click it, and I want you to write them down because this is so important. You've got to get this inside your mind. It will change your BS belief system. But before I give you the first G, I'm going to ask you something. What is the difference between giving and getting? In this life, we get, right? We're always looking to get information, get the right contacts, get the right people, get into the audition, get the part, get famous, grab, get. That is the beginning of total and absolute disaster. And here's why. No one cares what you want to get. No one cares what you want. What they care about is what you can give them. What you give them, quality, experience, your time, your energy. That is what is valuable to the casting director. What can you do for me? That's what happens when you're going to an audition. Now, when you get something, you grab it. When you get it, you grab it. So many people out there, especially newbies, are grabbing for life and grabbing this opportunity and grabbing this. I want to get, gimme, get. News flash for you. No one cares what you want. No one cares about you grabbing and getting things. What they care about is what can you give them that they can work with and hire you. It's time to gain a little maturity. What you need to do, you have to give of yourself. But before you give of yourself, you have to give to yourself. You have to give to yourself through study, through hiring coaches, intelligent risks, and putting yourself out there and studying. Study. I can't emphasize that enough. You need to study. Build yourself up inside. It's going to take some time and effort. In fact, it's going to take time, which can't be replaced. It's going to take energy, which can be replaced depending on how you use your time. And it's going to take money. That's right. The more you sacrifice, the more you will get quality into your life. Better the sacrifice, the better quality you will receive. So instead of fisting up, open your hand. Go on, with me right now. Open your hand. Do you see anything in your palms? No. But guess what? When you have something to give, it's automatic, isn't it? With your hands open, you give. You give of your time, your energy, your money, and your relationships then start to grow as you grow inside. When you were a kid, it's gimme, me, I. I am talking to adults, right? Okay, good. So you give of what you have gained through your education. You give of your life experience. You have something valuable to give, so give it. And guess what? The second G is gain. What will you gain by giving? I'll tell you what you'll gain. You'll gain audition opportunities. You'll gain callbacks. You will gain roles in films and theater and voiceover, but you have to give to yourself in order to gain from others. The third G is go. Go and do it. Don't sit around collecting information from all these wonderful sources that's on the internet and in books and taking classes and hiring coaches. Don't just sit on it. Give it. Once you gain it, you give it. You have something to give so you can gain. And then you go. So that's the 3 G's. You need to go right now and give of yourself what you have right now, because you will never be perfect. You will be prefect. And everybody knows that. Don't lower your standards by shooting for perfection, because you'll never get there. You are good. You're not perfect. And neither are characters that you play or audition for. Is this making sense? So if you need a coach, I may be the one for you. DavidThompsonCoaching.co. DavidThompsonCoaching.co. Like, share, and subscribe to this channel. And remember, give, gain, and go.